Recreate this marketing poster in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Custom Size. Select 736 by 920 pixels. First, change the background color to gradient. Click on the gradient and select the white color. Click on the plus icon 3 times. Now, copy this color code from the description box and apply on first color. Select this style. Go to Apps and search for Can Border. Click on it. Select black color. Border thickness 1. Blur 1. Aspect ratio 1:1. Add to design. Adjust the size and position. Upload the marketer model image. Remove the background and adjust the size and position. Search for the round metal circle. Add this. Adjust the size and position. Duplicate this. Again, duplicate this. Select these circles and set it to make sure they are on middle alignment. Go back to the elements and add a circle shape. Change the background color to yellow. Adjust the size and position. Duplicate this. Go to Position and drag the model image above. Drag the border above the shapes. Add a shadow under the model image. Go to Position and drag the shadow under the image. Add 2 shadows under the shoes. Go to Position and drag both shadows under the image. Search for Posting and add an element. Change the color to yellow. Search for engagement and add another element. Change the color to yellow as well. Now add a promotional icon and change the color. Lastly, add an analytics icon and change the color. Select all shapes and make a little smaller. Add a text. Set it left alignment and select the font to Poppins. Decrease the line spacing. Duplicate the text. Again, duplicate the text. Duplicate this text. Go to the elements and add a line shape. Stroke weight will be 2. Add another line shape and stroke weight will be 2 as well. Change the color to yellow. Add your brand logo and name here. Duplicate this text. Select all elements and set them to middle alignment. Duplicate this text. Select the highlighted words and make it bold and yellow color. Duplicate this text and write the contact info. Bring any changes if needed. Here is the final result. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.